Hello, welcome. This video is on basic graphing, and this is at the approaching proficient level. They've asked us to graph the equation g of x is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 3. And they have given us some x values to help us out here. And so one of the things that we can do is figure out the values for y. Remember that f of x is the same as y. Which is the same as g of x. So they could have said f of x. They could have also said g of x in this case. And so f of x, negative 10, I'm going to put what is negative 1/2 times negative 10 plus 3. And so negative 1/2 times negative 10 is a positive 5 because negative times negative is positive and half of 10 is 5. So they've got 5 plus 3, and that's equal to 8. And so the corresponding value when x is negative 10 is 8. And then I'm going to go and just do that again for negative 4. So negative 1/2 times negative 4, negative times negative positive, half of 4 is 2. So I got 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Do that again for 0. If x equals 0, see, just notice that what I'm doing here, here's x, and all of these are values of x. And so I just put that in here, whatever value that I'm evaluating. So here I'm going to put 0. Negative 1/2 times 0, anything times 0 is 0. So I've just got 0. Oops. 0, 0 plus 3. And so that's 3. And when x equals 0, y equals 3. So let's go back here. 2. Well, here negative times a positive is negative. Half of 2 is 1, so this is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2, and then 6. So let's see what happens when x is 6. So I'll put 6 in here for x. Negative times positive, negative, and half of 6 is 3, so this is negative 3. And then negative 3 plus 3, and that would be 0. So y is 0. And so now, remember to label your axes, at least the positive x and positive y values. If you don't label the negatives, that's okay. Count out and label your scale. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5 here. And so negative 10, 8. Let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's negative 10. Negative 10, 8 is up. Negative 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's up here. Disappeared. There we go. Negative 4, 5, negative 4, and then up to 5 is right there. 0, 3, 0, and then up to 3 right here. 2, 2, over here, 2 and up 2 is right there. And then 6, 0. So go over here to 6, and then I'm at 0. And so these points should all be in a straight line because this equation is a linear equation, which means that its graph is a straight line. And so I just go in here and I try to connect all of these dots. This goes kind of like that. This goes down in that direction. We show an arrow to show that that continues off even beyond the graph. And then this goes up here in the other direction. And again, it continues in that direction. And so that's what the graph of this looks like.